Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Tangle Teezer Easy Dry and Go. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Tangle Teezer Easy Dry and Go. It is a vented blow-dry hairbrush and it's available in 5 colours. This one is in jet black. And just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. It's nice to see that the box is recyclable. And on the side there is a list of features for this Tangle Teezer Easy Dry and Go. And it is designed, developed and made in the UK. And taking a look at the back of the box packaging, there is some information about the Tangle Teezer Easy Dry and Go in various languages. And on the opposite side of the box, there is some information about the founder of Tangle Teezer. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by opening the box flap. And sliding the Tangle Teezer Easy Dry and Go out of its box packaging. And just closing up the box. Actually, before that, let's slide out the insert that's inside of it. And just closing the box back up. And setting it to the side. And taking a look at the insert. So just setting the Tangle Teezer Easy Dry and Go to the side, and of course the insert that we had a look at the start, and unfolding to reveal the contents and details inside of this booklet or insert. So there are several other Tangle Teezer products shown in this fold out leaflet or insert, and on the other side the other details. Alright, so we're just going to set it down and to the side, so just setting the insert to the side and setting the Tangle Teezer Easy Dry and Go in the middle of the frame, so you have a full and clear look at the hairbrush before I start handling it. Okay, so now taking a closer in look at the Tangle Teezer Easy Dry and Go vented blow dry hairbrush in jet black. As you can see, there are some matte as well as glossy details of the design of this hairbrush, and it is very light in weight for its size, having a plastic construction, and uniquely you see the vents running along the middle of the hairbrush for use with a hairdryer on low heat. And to give you some sense of the size of this hairbrush, resting in my palm, and of course holding or gripping it. Okay, and let's go ahead and take a much closer in look now at the overall design of this Tangle Teezer Easy Dry and Go. So once again we see the strip of vents in the middle, so 3 segment of vents allowing air to be blown through them for enhanced drying of one's hair, and taking a look at the teeth that are on the hairbrush as well. So giving you that closer in look at the bottle shaped patented flex teeth, and of course at the grip or handle as well. So giving you a look at the handle, and we can see that there is that contour and groove along the handle. It does have Tangle Teezer molded into it, and there is what appears to be a thumb imprint, just as an indicator for placing one's thumb in that groove for grip. And there is a slight curve or contour to the hairbrush as well. We can see the teeth having the highest point in the middle or towards the center of the hairbrush, and you can see that the teeth are staggered in positioning, so alternating or shifting from row to the next row. And now let's take a much closer in look at the flex teeth, which are bottle shaped, and to give you some sense of their stiffness or softness and flexibility. So right there, running my finger along its surface or the teeth, and you can see how they pretty much pop back into shape. And I'm using quite some force applying that finger pressure along or on them. Just right there, giving you a look top down as well. Just how the teeth flex and bend back into position. So very light in weight. Now let's go ahead and test it by just brushing it against my slightly damp hair, giving it a few strokes or brushes. And you can see that it has pulled a few strands of my hair off, but of course those were already coming off. But nonetheless, with the flex teeth, they do not hurt at all, given that's the patented design of Tangle Teezer hairbrushes, and of course with this vented back or straight through design with use with a hairdryer for enhanced and improved drying of one's hair. So that's the Tangle Teezer Easy Dry and Go. Thanks for watching and happy brushing!